Hey everyone, welcome to the first video on the Python tutorial with the Engineering Outreach Department at the University of Ottawa. So, what we want to learn today is the Python shell. So that's primarily used to execute commands in line within the Python environment. So if I just go on my Windows environment here and search CMD, I'll see that command prompt shows up. I'll go there. Expand that here. And if I have Python installed, so python-v, you'll see that I have Python 3.7.2 installed. And now I can simply just type in the word Python and it'll bring me to this kind of interactive shell. And the Python environment allows me to run commands within it so that I can see how Python works, really. I can say 2 plus 2, that's 4. I can say A equals 2 plus 2. Then I can say print A. I can also do a bunch of other kind of mathematical operations. I can do minus. I can say 2 minus 2, that's 0. I can say 2 times 2. I can say 2 divided by 2, that's 1. And I believe we can also do something like this. No, well, clearly that's not something that we could do here. But we can always store these inside of variables and then do operations on them. So we can say, remember our variable a, we can say b equals a plus 3. So that's 2 plus 3. B should be, so that's 4 plus 3, 7. And to exit the shell, we just type that and we're out. Cool. That's the Python shell. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next one.